This is the Fargo Public Schools tablet information presentation. You're getting ready to receive your tablets, or you're ready to log into your laptops. With the tablets, you're going to press the tablet power button and slide the on-off switch on the keyboard. The laptops, you would use your laptop power button to turn that on. You'll notice the images on the bottom left and the bottom center show where the tablet and the keyboard are powered on. The image that is on the bottom right is the first screen using Windows 8, which is the Space Needle. This is the lock screen. You are to unlock it by swiping up from the bottom to the top of the screen with your fingertip or a mouse, and your login screen will appear. Your first login of the year will consist of clicking the Change User button to enter your user name, which is your lunch code ID, your student identification number. The passwords have all been reset, and the passwords are set up as the lowercase letters FPS followed by your student ID number / lunch code. You'll be prompted to change your password once you have entered FPS and your student ID number, and you need to enter a 8-character password twice. Your network password is synced with Google every 15 minutes. So after you have changed your password when you log in, every 15 minutes it is updated on Google. The same procedure is done whether it is Windows 7 or Windows 8. Choosing your password, again, your password must contain at least 8 characters, and it can contain letters, lower or uppercase, numbers, or certain symbols. Your computer login password will be the same as your Google email or Gmail password, again, once it is synced. Please do not give your password to anyone. If you need to write it down, please write it down, as it cannot be looked up. It can only be reset. And consider using a passphrase instead of a password, and or a mixture of lowercase and uppercase letters and numerals as listed in the example on your screen. The first time you log in to the FPS network, you will be prompted to accept or decline the responsible use policy. If you accept, you will be able to continue using the device / computer / laptop. If you click decline to accept the responsible use policy, you will be logged out of the computer after a certain amount of time. This will continue to happen until you click the accept. Your acceptance is necessary to use any FPS computers, devices, or the FPS network. We are in our second year of being a Google Apps for Education school district. You have access to these free web-based Google Apps for Education both at school or at home with an internet connection. You have a Google email account or Gmail account. You're able to create Google Calendars. You have access to a storage space called the Google Drive. You are able to create websites using Google Sites, and you also have Google Apps, which contain an online word processor, a spreadsheet program, and a presentation program. All computers and devices do have Google Chrome, which is your web browser. Some websites work better with Google Chrome than Internet Explorer, and some work better with Internet Explorer over Google Chrome. As stated earlier, you have an email through Google called Gmail. Your login is your 5-digit student identification number followed by @fargoschools.org. Your Gmail password will be the same as your computer login password. Your email account is monitored by Fargo Public Schools, so be sure that the content of your school email follows the responsible use policy. Logging into Google through your Google Chrome web browser is very easy to do. You're going to open up your Google Chrome web browser. You're going to log in to Chrome using your Google email, which is again your student ID number, followed by @fargoschools.org and the password. Please check to see if you can see your Google Drive, your Gmail icon, your Chrome Web Store icon, and the Learning Portal apps created by Fargo Public Schools. A simple way of keeping track of your passwords is to create a Google Apps spreadsheet for your web tool sites, your email addresses, your logins / usernames, and passwords. Name the file by clicking Untitled Spreadsheet and give the file a name, and make sure that you do not share this file with anyone. Across the top of your spreadsheet, you're going to type website, email address, login / username, and password as the column headings on the top of your spreadsheet. You're going to enter the appropriate information into the spreadsheet as you use new web tools throughout this year. If you have created one in the previous years, you should be able to still find that. And the nice part about it is that you are able to log in with that same information if you already have a particular web tool account. You may need to adjust the columns to read all the content by clicking that seam between the columns. And to return to your Google Drive, you're going to click the arrow in front of the file name to get yourself back to your Google Drive. Again, a quick and simple way of keeping track of your passwords and your accounts. Information on the Dell Latitude 10 touchscreen tablet running Windows 8 with a Kensington keyboard case. What follows in this presentation is information about the tablets, some need-to-knows, how to charge your tablet and the keyboard, etc. Students need to keep their tablet safe at all times. You need to have it locked. Lock the place where your tablet is stored, whether it's in your locker or in your home or apartment. And bring the tablet into your place of residence every day and night. It does not like cold weather, so please make arrangements when going to sporting events, practices, rehearsals, etc. You should know where your tablet is at all times. You are expected to bring your tablets to school each day in the carrying case with a fully charged battery. Here is how to charge the battery.
Your one-to-one device is a Dell Latitude 10 tablet computer running Windows 8. It comes with a Kensington keyboard case, a power cable, and a USB cable. The tablet itself should make it through a day easily on a single charge. The keyboard should be charged once a week. If you want easy access to charging your tablet each night, you might want to consider putting the tablet in upside down with the Windows button on top. Windows 8 will auto-rotate for you, so that won't be a big deal. You'll just have to remember that the power button, which used to be in the upper right, is now in the lower left. But if you put this in upside down, now the charging port is easily available with the case closed. So to charge your tablet, you take your power cable, plug into the wall outlet, plug this end into the brick, make sure that it's good and tight, and then take this end and plug into your charging port. This indicator shows you which side is up. Remember, your tablet is laying face down, so put it in upside down. When it's charging, you'll see a white light next to the charging port. To charge your keyboard, you take the USB cable, plug the small end into the charging port on the right side of the keyboard. Take the other end of the cable and plug it into the big USB port on the tablet. When the keyboard shows a red light, it's charging. If you don't want to have your tablet in the case upside down, you'll either have to charge it outside of the case, again remember, white light means that it's charging, or if it's in the case, you'll have to leave the case itself open while you let it charge overnight. Now, because the tablet can easily make it through a day and the keyboard can make it a week on a charge, you can leave these cables at home when you go to school.
The indicator charging light on the tablet will go off when the tablet is fully charged. And your tablet should come with a white tablet pouch, which the tablet came in from Dell, that works very well as a cleaning cloth on your touchscreen device. Students will keep their tablets in good condition. No food or drink near the tablets. Do not write on or place decorations on the tablet or carrying case except on the name tag. Treat your case like a textbook. Do not take apart your tablet or keyboard. This will be your tablet again next year if you are not graduating. There is a relaxed filter in place at home, allowing you to go into Facebook. Students will respect the family and school rules when using the tablets. No inappropriate sites as defined in the responsible use policy. The main use of the tablet is for schoolwork. Family members may use the tablet after school hours, but make sure that they're looking at, again, appropriate sites. And do not let friends borrow your tablet. The tablet does belong to the school district. Any school personnel can ask to see the tablet at any time. Activity on the tablet can be monitored. You now have the option to purchase your tablet after you graduate. Please see the Glass Paper Project website for details. There is also an option to purchase insurance to cover device damages. Again, please see information on the Glass Paper Project website. Be sure to report all problems with the tablet, keyboard, charger, and cords to the library. If the tablet, keyboard, charger, or cords is damaged purposely or through negligence, the family will pay costs to repair or replace if the family does not buy insurance. Replacement costs may be as much as $600. School administration will deal with damage and theft. Again, device insurance is now available. See the Glass Paper Project website for details for costs and deadline for insurance premium payment. Students will return the tablets to school at the end of the school year. If a student leaves an FPS school before the end of the school year, he or she must return the tablet, keyboard, carrying case, charger, and cords before leaving. All students will return the tablet package during the last week of school or a designated time. Students will want to back up anything stored on the tablet, as the devices will be wiped clean and reformatted. The tablet, keyboard, carrying case, and charger must be returned in good working condition. Again, if damaged, the students will pay the cost of repair or replacement. Students can use the devices in public or at home. Tablets will connect wirelessly. There are no Ethernet ports on tablets. Wireless routers can be purchased as low as $30 online, and Ethernet adapters as low as $16 can be again purchased online for non-wireless home internet access. Software, apps, music, and videos. Students will not have the ability to load software and printer drivers on the tablets, but you will be able to add school printers. We are trying to go paperless, as our teachers do know that. Students will be able to load apps, music, and movies through the Google Chrome Web Store. You may also have a Microsoft Store account or an iTunes account, and can load from those websites as well. The Windows 8 tutorials that can be found on our learning portal will help you get the most out of your tablet, as well as help you learn about how to run your tablet. To find them, go to the learning portal, click the Glass Paper Project from the bottom navigation bar, and find information on Windows 8, the student devices, Google Apps, parent-student contracts, digital citizenship, and the online textbooks in this location. You will find also information about insurance purchases, as well as purchasing the device after you graduate. Again, use the tutorials that are available on the resources here. Click the Windows 8 resources link, find the one that says Microsoft tutorial website link, and for part of your homework, go ahead and watch the videos and do the tutorials on how to operate Windows 8. Again, the more you know about Windows 8, the easier it will be for you to use your tablet. Student online accounts, and this is accounts for Google, Microsoft, and iTunes. You will be expected to use your fargoschools.org Google account for school-related assignments. You may also use a personal Microsoft account alive.com, hotmail.com, outlook.com, msn.com, or Xbox Live to access the Microsoft Store. You may also use your personal iTunes account to access iTunes. Again, for both of those, you will be responsible for personal purchases. You will not be expected to have a Microsoft account or an iTunes account. The following slides contain need-to-knows about your tablet. To find the battery life and wireless connection, you swipe in from the right to display your Charms bar and notification box. Charms bar appears on the right side of your screen and has 5 icons. You would click the settings to change your PC settings. The notification box with the date, time, current battery life, and wireless connection are listed on the lower left part of your screen. Setting up your wireless network at home, you're going to swipe in from the right to see your Charms bar icons. Select the Settings button and then the Network button. Choose your wireless network from the list of networks being picked up by your tablet. If your network is secured, please enter your network key. If it is unsecured, you should be able to get onto the network. Accessing your online textbooks, again, navigate to the Learning Portal, click on the online textbook site on the right-hand navigation, find your textbooks by discipline, and read the directions provided for help. You can find the textbooks either in online or PDF format. Your options are listed on your screen as to how you may access them and how you may log in. Your teachers may have to create student online accounts for you, and they will do that within the next few weeks. At the end of a class period, you do not have to shut down or log off between classes. You can push your power button to put your tablet to sleep. The keyboards will sleep automatically. Many tablet problems can be fixed with a tablet restart, so please try that by restarting your tablet and see if that fixes the problem. If it does not fix the problem, please bring it to the library. The net manager, the librarian, instructional technology coach, and your library IRLAs will be there to help you in any way possible. Please bring any questions or concerns to the library or net manager of your building. And the only way for us to know if there's something wrong with the tablets is if you communicate problems to us in the library or with the net manager. Thank you.